Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a product marketing manager here at Cloud Trucks, and today I'm going to walk you through LoadBot. LoadBot is your fleet's AI-powered load creator. It helps you create a load from a Raycon incredibly fast, in less than a minute, so you can finally say goodbye to all of that manual data entry and hello to streamlined fleet operations. Let's walk through how to use LoadBot. So to access LoadBot, head to your jobs list from the side nav of your Cloud Trucks TMS and click on the blue Add Load button on the top right. Now, on top of being lightning fast, LoadBot is also flexible to how you want to run your fleet with two ways to use it. Option one, you can click Add a Load and upload a Raycon to the Cloud Trucks TMS platform. And option two is you can add a load by email. So you can email the Raycon as an attachment to your fleet's personalized LoadBot email, which will always be LoadBot plus your fleet's DOT number at cloudtrucks.com. You'll just need to add your DOT number from the Fleet Details tab if it's not already in there, and the Fleet Details tab is right here. So I'll quickly demo how each of these options work. So for one, let's click Add a Load. Let's drag and drop a Raycon. And let's LoadBot do its thing. So it might take a few seconds, but once it's ready, it will have used that AI technology to take all of the important information from the Raycon and organize it into your load details. So all you'll have to do is just go through each screen and confirm the information is correct. So you can add, edit, delete anything. But once you confirm the load details are accurate, the load will be added to your jobs list. So let's go ahead here and assign a driver. We can assign a truck as well. Add, edit, change any load details. Make sure everything looks good for every stop. Finally, confirm the final information, the load details, the driver and truck information, the pickup and delivery information. Click confirm, and the load will be added to your jobs list and your driver will be dispatched to their Cloud Trucks mobile app. Then there's option two, which is emailing that Raycon. This is a really great option if you're getting Raycons on the go and you want to add them to your jobs list ASAP. So from the jobs list, click add a load again. And here you'll see add a load by email, which will show you your personalized LoadBot email. Like I said, this will always be LoadBot plus your DOT number at cloudtrucks.com. And we recommend saving that email so it's always handy for you. So go ahead and copy this email and then jump into the email where you receive Raycons from brokers. Open up the email and forward that email with the Raycon attached to your personalized LoadBot email. Once LoadBot is done, you'll get a confirmation email that looks like this saying LoadBot added your load and asking you to just review the load details and assign it to a driver. So if you click view details from that email, you'll be redirected to the load details page. You'll see the Raycon is already attached to the load. All you have to do is select the driver you want to dispatch this to, select the truck, and you're ready to roll. Additionally, loads added via this emailing method of LoadBot will always show this email icon and sent by email on the jobs list. So you'll always know which AI LoadBot option was used to create that load. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to flex-support at cloudtrucks.com. And thank you so much for following along. We're really excited for you to start using LoadBot and automating your day-to-day so that you can streamline your fleet operations and optimize for growth.